At the bustling Harley-Davidson factory in York, Pennsylvania, a legendary motorcycle rolls off the line approximately every 2 minutes. Each bike undergoes a meticulous transformation, taking around 25 hours to evolve from a raw frame to a finished machine. These dedicated assembly line workers, earning an average of $23 per hour, often express such passion for their craft they claim they'd do it for free. You're now witnessing the initial phase of production, the precise pressing of fenders, fuel tanks, and various body parts at Harley-Davidson's expansive York facility. While some components are globally sourced, even from places like China, the heart of the beast, the engine and driveline, is expertly crafted in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Frames, however, are exclusively assembled here in York. Harley-Davidson's York complex is truly immense, sprawling over 230 acres with more than 1.5 million square feet of covered production space. A single Harley-Davidson Road Glide motorcycle is a marvel of engineering, composed of nearly 2,000 individual parts. The production line guides these motorcycles along a central conveyor, granting workers about 80 seconds at each station to perform their specialized tasks. Right now, observe the largely automated welding of the mainframe. Once completed, these frames are swiftly transported to the central warehouse, ready to be moved to the main assembly line at a pre-scheduled time. Historically, all Harleys sold in the United States were born in either the Milwaukee or York plant. This iconic brand seamlessly blends cutting-edge manufacturing technology, including CNC and robotics, with the artistry of old-school hand assembly. The newly welded parts then journey to the paint shop. Here they're carefully hung on a slider, moving steadily through the sophisticated painting process. Last year marked a significant milestone, with Harley-Davidson sales surging, driven by increased demand from vibrant markets in India, Europe, and Latin America. Approximately 170,000 of these magnificent machines were sold globally, with 100,000 finding homes in the United States. In stark contrast, Honda motorcycles sell over 17 million units annually, a comparison that truly underscores the exclusive prestige of owning a hog. The factory workers in this section primarily act as vigilant quality controllers, meticulously applying stickers and polishing individual parts to perfection. A remarkable 70% of the components on each Harley are proudly manufactured within the United States. You are now observing the fascinating process of powder coating. This dry finishing technique involves electrostatically charging finely ground particles of pigment and resin, which are then precisely sprayed onto a metal surface. The coated part is subsequently baked in an oven, where the powder melts, flows, and solidifies into a tough, uniform, and incredibly durable skin. Workers here expertly program the robotic machines and then monitor the entire powder coating process from sophisticated screens. Within this factory, continuous production is paramount. The manufacturing process must run without interruption, as any malfunction can incur costs amounting to hundreds of thousands of dollars. This fluid spraying method ensures an even coating and minimizes waste, making it the most efficient painting technique employed. Now, witness the vibrant yellow and orange robotic arms as they skillfully handle the cylinder heads. The cylinder head, positioned atop the engine cylinder, houses crucial components such as intake and exhaust valves, spark plug holes, and the combustion chamber. Next, you're observing the automated assembly of the crankcases. While these robots represent a substantial initial investment, they deliver relentless efficiency, operating 24 hours a day, 7 days a week without requiring salaries. Despite the advanced automation in certain production phases, Harley-Davidson remains a significant employer, with thousands of dedicated workers. This renowned motorcycle manufacturer currently employs approximately 5,800 individuals. This is what the cylinder assembly looks like. This intricate process is expertly performed by an experienced worker, involving the precise integration of several distinct parts. The majority of Harley-Davidson employees work directly on the main assembly line, with a considerable number also contributing to the sales department. Inside this factory, workers receive specialized training for a single task within the manufacturing process. By mastering one function and repeating it with precision throughout each shift, they cultivate a level of consistency and expertise that guarantees the highest standards of quality. This focused approach is a cornerstone of Harley-Davidson's reputation for building durable, iconic machines, one meticulously crafted detail at a time. Hundreds of completed Harley-Davidson engines are meticulously stored in this central warehouse, each carefully labeled and assigned to a specific motorcycle model based on its unique configuration. Every engine is pre-matched to the exact specifications required for its final destination on the assembly line. At the main factory in York, Pennsylvania, the final assembly of most heavyweight models, including the Touring, Trike, and CVO lines, takes place. This facility is where these iconic motorcycles truly come to life in their full glory. Meanwhile, the Menomonee Falls plant near Milwaukee is dedicated to producing the powerful engines and transmissions, most notably the Milwaukee 8 engine that propels Harley's larger bikes. The production process commences with the frame assembly, followed by the seamless installation of the engine, and then layer by layer more parts are added from the suspension to the wheels to the intricate electronics. It's a complex and finely tuned system, much like assembling a massive mechanical jigsaw puzzle. Made in America remains a fundamental pillar of the Harley-Davidson brand, symbolizing not just its origin, but a deep-seated commitment to quality, tradition, and national pride. Even as the company expands its global footprint, some still ponder the true origin of these legendary motorcycles. However, the undeniable truth is that every bike sold within the United States is fully assembled by skilled American hands in these American factories. Now begins one of the most hands-on and intricate phases of production, the meticulous process of bolting the motorcycle together piece by piece. This stage involves the careful assembly of various components, from the powerful engine and transmission to the wheels, controls, and exquisite finishing details. Each part must be precisely installed in the correct order, leaving nothing to chance. The assembly sequence has been strategically optimized to maximize efficiency while minimizing the risk of errors. Every step is meticulously planned to ensure that the entire process flows smoothly and consistently, upholding the high standards Harley-Davidson is renowned for. Each workstation along the assembly line is staffed by a team of skilled workers, each trained for a specific set of tasks. Overseeing them is a team leader or supervisor, responsible not only for ensuring the quality of the work performed, but also for coordinating the team's efforts to keep production on track. You are now observing the engine performance testing taking place on a dynamometer, commonly referred to as a dyno. This rigorous testing process is essential for validating engine reliability, consistency, and overall power delivery, key hallmarks of the Harley riding experience. Harley-Davidson itself boasts a long and celebrated history, founded in 1903 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin by two visionary friends, William S. Harley and Arthur Davidson. Finished motorcycles are typically transported in huge boxes and then by truck across the United States. Harley-Davidson heavily invests in automation and robotics, particularly for painting, welding, and the precision manufacturing of engine parts. During World War II, Harley-Davidson played a pivotal role in supporting the U.S. military effort, producing over 90,000 motorcycles for the armed forces, most notably the legendary WLA Liberator. One of the most unique and beloved features of a Harley-Davidson motorcycle is its unmistakable engine sound, often described as a deep, rhythmic potato-potato rumble. This distinctive noise is the result of Harley's V-twin engine design and uneven firing intervals, which impart the bike with its characteristic heartbeat-like cadence. Harley-Davidson and Indian Motorcycle stand as two of America's most iconic and enduring motorcycle brands. They are historic rivals with roots deeply embedded in American culture and engineering. And now, for a fascinating comparison, you're watching the factory of Indian Motorcycle. The genesis of a new model always begins with inspired design in the studio. Next comes the intricate clay modeling phase, where full-size prototypes are sculpted to evaluate both the motorcycle's visual impact and its aerodynamic performance. This crucial step allows designers and engineers to meticulously refine every curve and contour before transitioning into full production. That production unfolds at Indian Motorcycle's primary manufacturing facility in Spirit Lake, Iowa. This plant serves as the central hub for the final assembly of all Indian Motorcycle models. Here, skilled technicians hand-assemble each bike with unparalleled precision and care, ensuring that every detail meets the brand's exacting standards for quality and craftsmanship. Every Indian motorcycle sold is proudly assembled at the Spirit Lake factory. The facility employs approximately 550 dedicated professionals, many of whom possess years of experience and take immense pride in building these legendary machines. Last year alone, over 30,000 Indian motorcycles were sold, a testament to the brand's continued growth and devoted following. Though deeply rooted in American history, founded in 1901, making it the oldest motorcycle brand in the U.S., Indian Motorcycle is now owned and operated by Polaris Industries, another well-known American manufacturer. Together, they continue to uphold the legacy of one of America's most iconic motorcycle brands. With fewer Indian motorcycles produced each year compared to Harley-Davidson, there's less reliance on robotization, and more activities are performed manually. In recent years, Indian Motorcycle has gradually evolved away from some of its more traditional design elements, such as the signature tan leather seats, classic fairings, and vintage-style saddlebags. When it comes to production, Indian Motorcycle's manufacturing process closely mirrors that of its biggest rival, Harley-Davidson. Both brands rely on highly skilled workers, precise assembly techniques, and a harmonious blend of automation and craftsmanship to deliver bikes that consistently exceed the expectations of passionate riders. Roughly 64% of Indian motorcycle sales are concentrated in the US market, which has remained relatively stable over the past year. You're now observing the final assembly of the Indian Chieftain Elite Black Hills Silver, an exclusive limited edition model that masterfully combines premium design features with powerful performance. The rivalry between Indian Motorcycle and Harley-Davidson is one of the most storied and enduring in motorcycling history. It's a competition that spans over a century, rooted in American innovation, fiercely loyal communities, and a shared passion for the open road. While Harley-Davidson and Indian Motorcycle share several similarities, both are legendary American brands with rich histories, known for producing powerful V-twin cruisers and touring bikes. Their differences are just as defining. As you can see from inside both facilities, the manufacturing processes and procedures at Harley-Davidson and Indian Motorcycle are remarkably similar. Take, for example, the Indian Challenger Dark Horse, a striking bagger powered by the Power Plus liquid-cooled 60-degree V-twin engine. This modern powerhouse delivers strong, low-end torque and high-revving performance, offering a dynamic ride that contrasts beautifully with the traditional air-cooled V-twin found in many Harley models.